Hi everyone, this is Janis. You try to do your best to achieve your goals. You even try to make sure that you don't hurt anybody's feelings during the process. But every time you have a little breakthrough and every time you take a small step towards your goals, someone is not happy and endless negative questions and objections are coming your way. Why do you do this? What is the point of doing this? You spend all this time on the project, but after a whole year, you haven't made any money. Or this idea you have will never work. Exercise time. I want to share a simple exercise that will literally change your life, or at least how you look at your life. And I know it might sound fishy and you might be defensive about 5-minute exercise that can be life-changing, but here's the thing. Doing the exercise will literally take 5 minutes and you'll have a clear vision about your situation. But after that, you'll have to make changes in your life according to the findings in the exercise, and that might take a week, a month, or a year. But eventually, it will come down to the question, how bad do you actually want it? You have probably heard the saying, you are a composite of 5 people you spend most of the time with. But have you ever done this exercise? As Robin Sharma said, knowing what to do and not doing is same as not knowing. Today, I want to guide you through this exercise and I want you to actually do it. Take out a piece of paper and pen, that is all you need. And maybe a little bit of a brain power as well. I will imagine that your piece of paper is a rectangle, as it will be easier for me to show it on the screen. Or maybe I'm a magician and I guess that your piece of paper is a rectangle, in which case, go to the comments section and type in that your piece of paper is a rectangle. So first, you slice off a small section on a side like this. This will be your people's list. Here you will list 5 people that you spend most of the time with. This can be your wife, your husband, your spouse, your sister, your work colleague, your boss, your employee, maybe your teacher or mentor or anybody else. Next, you draw your face in the middle of remaining piece. This will personalize the exercise and you write your name above your face. This is how mine looks like. Then, below your face, you write your biggest goals, the big things that you want to achieve. Here are mine. I want to create the best time planning application and help millions of people to become better at planning. I want to grow my online business to make 7 figures a year. And I want to be in a great physical condition. The thing here is that you don't have to be overly specific. These are not SMART goals. These are the things that you want to achieve. This is a direction in which you're heading. Then you draw a plus sign on one side and write supportive, and draw minus sign on the other side and write not supportive. Now let's clarify what is supportive. Supportive people are helping you to achieve your goals. That does not mean that they have to fund your business venture or babysit you every time when you're feeling down. My wife supports me because we go to the gym together and cook our meals. My buddy entrepreneur is also supportive. We have a weekly catch-up call where we share with each other how our businesses are developing, and that is inspiring. My teammates are supportive. We work on projects together, and without them, I wouldn't be able to build my business. The other category, not supportive, is everyone else. I know you might say, yeah, but John is kind of in the middle. He's a good friend of mine. Well, if he's not in the supportive side, then he's not supportive. There is no middle section. So go ahead and fill in the list. You might need to pause the video for a few minutes to have a good think about closest people in your life. What if you have to put your wife, your husband, or your best friend in not supportive side? That could be a problem, but you have to confront it now. Okay, once you've completed your exercise, you'll find yourself in one of the following situations. Option 1, you're surrounding yourself with supportive people. I don't think that would come as a surprise, and you probably feel that during your everyday life. If this is you, congratulations. My best advice for you is to keep nourishing these relationships. You've created a great environment and it will not be long until you achieve your goals. Because the good environment will help you to achieve your goals better than any motivation will. But you could be also in a different position. Option 2, you realize that you're surrounded by not supportive people. Wow, all this time you were thinking why it is so hard to progress towards your goals. Let's go back to the beginning of this video, the situation where you were trying to work towards your goals, but every step closer to your goals turns into the battle with your surroundings. The answer is that you're surrounding yourself with the wrong crowd. You're not surrounded by not supportive people. You're surrounding yourself with them because you have a choice to spend time with them or not. So don't blame them because you have to take the responsibility. Now, here are some things that happen when you surround yourself with not supportive and negative people, and you might be surprised how much it affects you. The mind can be programmed by repetition. If one person tells you that your business idea is not going to work, you can ignore it and move on. Then it happens again and you ignore it because you're excited about the project you're working on. Then, a few weeks later, you're testing some things in your business and it doesn't work out as intended. At this point, your mind recalls what your friend was saying and it starts growing on you until you start doubting yourself. And that can ultimately lead to giving up your dreams and goals. Lowering your goals. Another negative thing that can happen surrounding yourself with the people who have small goals and who are willing to live average lives is that their impact and presence can eventually make you lower your goals. Don't let this happen. Never ever lower your dreams and goals just to be the same as people around you. This is why it is so critical to surround yourself with the people who have monster goals and dreams just like yours. As you can see by these examples, having not supportive people in your life will affect you in a negative way. And usually this is happening without intention. Your family and best friends are not wishing you a bad luck intentionally. This is what you have to understand clearly. Your family wants best for you, but they don't have your dreams and your goals. But because they settled for average, this will affect you as well. That's why it's critical to spend as much time as possible with people that support you in achieving your goals. Be around with those who have bigger goals and you will be on your path to success. Here are some ideas on how to build a strong inner circle. Associate higher. If you're focused on taking your life, career, business to the next level up, then why not associate with the people on that next level? Doing this will help you to expand your mind to the greater possibilities. This is natural to feel most comfortable with the people who are just like you, and that's okay. However, it's good to step outside your comfort zone and spend time with those who are on the next level. Choose friends with similar goals. When you have friends with similar goals, particularly as an entrepreneur, you can support and push each other. You can work on your goals together and encourage each other to reach them quicker. Choose friends that always keep learning. Life is about learning, growing, and advancing. With friends like this, you can learn from each other. It's always great to have a friend who can recommend a book or share information with you to help you on your path. Just remember, when you're creating your inner circle, your top 5 friends, the friendship is built on basis of giving what you expect to get. There is no point to try to seek out achieved people who have achieved amazing things and expect them to be your best buddy, thinking that they will take you to the next level and be on your side every time you're feeling down. That is not going to work. If you expect great friends, you first have to be one yourself. If you want to manage your time better, have more structure in your life, and achieve your goals, make sure you check out my time planning application. You can set goals and track progress towards them, create time blocks and build your own daily structure, as well as log your time and measure your performance. Best of all, it's totally free, so press here to check it out right now. I'm working on new videos every day, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.